Meanwhile, the Supreme Court on Wednesday temporarily halted the move by the federal government to ban the use of the old Naira notes from February 10, 2023. A 7-member panel led by Justice John Okoro stopped the move of the federal government in a ruling of an ex parte application brought by 3 northern states of Kaduna, Kogi, and Zamfara. The 3 states had specifically applied for an order of interim injunction restraining the federal government through the Central Bank of Nigeria or the commercial banks from suspending or ending on February 10, 2023, the time frame with which the new, or rather the now older version of the 200, 500, and 1,000 Naira denomination of the Naira may no longer be legal tender, pending the hearing and determination of the motion and notice for interlocutory injunction. Moving the application on Wednesday, counsel to the applicant, A.I. Mustafa San, had urged the Apex Court to grant the application in the interest of justice and the well-being of the country. The senior lawyer further argued that unless the Supreme Court intervenes in the situation, it will lead to anarchy because most banks are already closing operations. He accordingly adjourned to 15th February 2023 for hearing of the main suit.
We invoked the original jurisdiction of Supreme Court when there's a dispute between the state government and federal government. It's one of the few occasions where Supreme Court has the original jurisdiction. So we invoked the powers of the Supreme Court to hear this application. The reason for it is that as well-intentioned as this policy of federal government of redesign is working hardship all over the country, as we can all see, banks are being harassed, Nigerians are suffering needless, especially the downtrodden. Those in the urban areas, they're having problems, but it's more excruciating at the rural area. So these 3 state governments, Kaduna, Zamfara, and Kogi, deem it fit for us to invoke the powers of Supreme Court to intervene. And the Supreme Court has are not just the final court, but a court of policy in its considered ruling, saw merits in our application and restrained the federal government and by extension the Central Bank of Nigeria from desisting from going ahead on 10th of February that the supply of the new notes will stop.
The court in its wisdom decided that something must be done because of the urgency. But the court has rightly, in its own wisdom, directed that all processes must be there by 15th, that is Wednesday next week, for us to argue our various positions.